Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Mazda 6 Sport Nav. This car comes with a 2.2 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 173 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 57 miles per gallon. Road tax is £150 a year and the mileage is just over 68,000 miles, and the car comes with full service history. This particular colour is called Snowflake White and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, first of all, you've got the cream leather seats there, which are electric and heated. On the Sport Nav, the car comes really well equipped, so a few features that I can mention. You've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio, Bluetooth and satellite navigation. And this car also has climate control, as well as a heated steering wheel for the winter months. You've also got a heads-up display which pops up above the dashboard there, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your folding mirror controls, as well as your 4 electric window switches. You also have the Bose sound system as well. As we open the rear doors, have a good access there into back, good amount of legroom and headroom. And the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents, as well as pockets in the back of the front seats. And as you open the tailgate on the Estate, you have the really good sized boot there, so nice and practical for the family, with the split folding rear seats there at the back, and also the parcel shelf which folds up with the tailgate, so that's a nice little touch. And then underneath the boot floor, you also have a space saver wheel as well, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch gunmetal grey alloy wheels, and also a reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance of just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.